All right, y'all. So I've been working on this idea in ChatGPT already. So I'm somewhat cheating. Yes, I am. But I'm still gonna put it through boutique apps. Now I could have got the PRD created right there. Um, let's put it here. But I'm gonna bring it over here to get it done to see how it handles it. And I mean the same thing. If you have ChatGPT and you don't want to use this, then you can just work on everything in ChatGPT and then bring it over here. Or try to take it straight to Replit. It'll build something out of it. But just remember, this has been, well, yeah, just tell it to give you the stack. Because that's what this is going to do. Main thing as part of the PRD, ask ChatGPT for the PRD. But what we're doing over here is we're going to run it through here, tell us about your app in detail. I do have it detailed. Now, I could have used this and went that route to use it to come up with this over here. Let's see. All right, so let's see what happens. What? Oh, dog. They done got quick. Domain brand AI voice Greensboro and C example boutique apps. One online concept. All right, let's go. Yes, this is perfectly because that's what I just gave it to you. What is the one most processed payments? Oh, I need to change this though. Let's see. Let's go back one. Let's go back another one. This is 297 a month. Hosting and well, yeah, because we're talking about AI voice. 97. Actually, not 297 a month. 197 a month. Is that what it said? No, it said 199. All right. It has to be. I'm doing oh no, I gotta be 2 297 because you're also gonna need two things: GoHighLevel and hosting for the app. But you gotta think about it. Whew. All right, let's go. You're never gonna miss another call, and not only not miss a call, you're going to be able to answer all of the caller's questions. Did I include that part? What's the one more thing? Manage user accounts and personal data, process payments and handle transactions. Connect. I need to ask. I need to add another parameter to this too. Well, we are doing that. Most important thing. Yeah, that is important. Based on your refined concept, which technical aspects are most critical? Basic interface, database storage with search and filtering, user authentication, and role base. Oh, okay. Okay. I thought this wasn't working. It is working. The information that goes with these. See that pop up? storing information that user can search through and filter, like a product catalog, customer database. Login systems with different types of users. All right, great. How will you know this app is working successfully for your users? Users can complete their main task easily. What will make you confident this app is ready to launch? Basic functionality and works reliably for core use cases. All planned features are complete and tested. It handles expected user load without performance issues. Perfect. This project fits beautifully within what we can build on Replit. All right, great. Generating a quote. What this does is give you an idea of what it might cost if you're not going to use Replit and want to hire a developer. So that's another reason for putting it through here. Mm-mm-mm-mm. 10,000 to 15,000. Generate the PRID. Project managers, junior developer, senior developer, user interface, AI voice receptionist, QR code loyalty program, lead capture with payment, CTA, automated SMS, email follow-up, review and feedback funnel, minimal admin configuration. Let's generate this PRD. What problem is this app solving? Making it easy. Well, helping business to not miss leads and organize leads and customers and, well, customers and clients. What should the user be able to do in the app? Call voice AI to ask questions about the business. Leave their contact. Sign up for, well, you don't actually sign up for rewards. Well, join rewards. You don't really join the rewards program. Well, you can. Rewards program. And buy services. AI services at that. So this one, AI service, is a demo for a service that I will be providing. This demo is exactly what can be built for other businesses, put it that way. Who's using this? Just you, or will people log in? Users will have accounts. Public access, no login required. I'm just going to leave the user, the default determine. Doesn't make money. Subscription. Now this is going to be a light app, kind of like what would be built for one business, one-time purchase. But it could be created as a SaaS. It just would take more time to create the app. So something like a multi-tenant app, like the last one, that is still sitting there. But this one's going to be simple, quick, easy value, something that we can put out there on the market and sell this week. That's what we want to do. Sell this week. And then customize it to different businesses. That's why. Advertisement or a card with QR code and visits the app homepage. Alright. No, they're not requesting a call back. They just, where did this stuff come from? User receives an immediate SMS email with information packet and CTA to purchase or request a call back. If they sign up as a customer, they are enrolled in a loyalty program and ask a satisfaction question. Based on their satisfaction rating, they are either prompted to leave a public review, provide private feedback, or alert the business owner. Referrals or testimonials earn them rewards as predetermined by the business. Core features: AI voice demo, answer inbound calls 24/7 to provide business information, answer FAQs, and capture user information. Call follow-up, automatically sends SMS, email with info packet or welcome message after calls. Loyalty program, utilize QR codes at the point of sale to accumulate points or customer rewards. So I guess there can be other. Well, that's an add-on. You can add other packages to be purchased. We'll get to that. User table, store user contact information and call details, loyalty table, feedback table, file storage needs. Replit has storage containers now. GoHighLevel for AI voice automations and communication. Stripe for subscription billing, $297 a month. One-time fee of $1,500. Twilio via GHL for SMS delivery. SendGrid via GHL for email delivery. I don't know what you're talking about. SendGrid. Google Review API for directing satisfied customer to leave reviews. I wasn't talking about that. Well, I guess you can use the API. I was just talking about a link to the Google though. Monetization implementation, Stripe revenue tracking via Stripe dashboard, billing management, user interface requirements, homepage, review funnel interface with customer feedback, responsive design for mobile. I forgot to say that. I'm glad I wrote that. Success criteria, blah, blah, blah. Tech stack, React, Node.js, Supabase for relational data storage. Replit, authentication for sessions. We're not using Supabase. That's unnecessary. And I'll discuss that. Oh, I forgot to copy it. Copy. Whoop. All right. open that window back up. And paste. I'm going to say the PRD says super base. If possible, I'd rather use Replit database. Not heavy, well, advise which makes more sense. Also, I'd rather use Firebase over Superbase if Replit DBs is not sufficient. Advised if that is not recommended. What else? That's it that I can think of. And let's go. We're in the plan mode. I'll help you evaluate the database options for your AI voice receptionist app. Let me first search for the information about Replit database to give you a comprehensive comparison. We're off. Database recommendations. Okay. We can do Replit. Good. Easy peasy. I recommend using Replit's native PostgreSQL database rather than Superbase or Firebase. Here's why. PostgreSQL on Replit is best for your use case because it's kind of simple. Your app requires relational data with clear relationships, user table, linking to loyalty points and feedback, referential integrity between calls, customers, and review. All right. Let's make sure what this thing got. Perfect data structure matches. Integration advantages, seamless integration with your chosen Replit authentication. No external API calls or latency issues. Simplified deployment and management. Cost efficiency. No additional third-party database costs. Simplified billing. Because this is not necessarily a nation. I mean, if it's a heavy and we need to step it up, we can step it up. But I'm thinking of local businesses, really. But we can accommodate. Why not the alternative? Superbase, while powerful, adds unnecessary complexity. That's what I'm saying. And external dependencies for your use case. The app doesn't need a Superbase real-time features or complex auth systems since you're using Replit auth. Firebase, the Firestore document model doesn't align well with your relational data needs. Your customer journey tracking, loyalty points, and review funnel require the structured relationships that SQL provides. Proposed implementation plan. Let me create a plan using PostgreSQL as a database solution. AI voice receptionist platform for local businesses it's for my business. QR-based loyalty programs, automated review funnels, and subscription billing. I'll also include the following features: user registration, AI voice demo interface with call simulation and FAQ response, lead capture phone with contact information collection, QR code generation, and loyalty point tracking system, customer feedback collection with satisfaction rating 1 through 10, Review funnel routing based on satisfaction scores. Stripe integration for $297 a month subscription and 1,500 setup fees. Automation, automated email follow-up system using. We're not using SendGrid. All right, SendGrid business dashboard showing call logs, customer data, and loyalty metrics. Responsive design optimized for mobile. QR scanning. Change plan. Is it going to change everything? I want to use GoHighLevel for email, not SendGrid. That keeps businesses from having to add another service. I know how to spell not. I'm just not taking the time to go back. Let's see what it says. That makes perfect sense. Using GoHighLevel for email keeps everything consolidated in one service for your clients. Let me search for Go. Oh, I mean, I got to give you the API, but there isn't a specific GoHighLevel integration available in Replit's catalog. Nah, man, I'm going to give you that. Since GoHighLevel will be used for email authentication and SMS, we'll need to integrate the API directly. Okay, yeah. Start with the design. Build the entire. All right, so let's 20 minutes to build the app. That means I can go do something else. Best if you want agent to build out the full functionality of your app. Best if you want to see the design prototype first and then iterate on the visual features. Let's do it this way this time. Start building. What did this one do? Select an option. Oh, okay. Build the entire app. Start building. 20 minutes. Let's see what happens. Meanwhile, so we can go over here to GoHighLevel and get the required APIs. And I'm going to use my AI can do it for you. AI. Yo, I'm recording. I might not be recording. All right. Okay. This is the most ridiculous thing I ever seen. All right. So somehow we got twisted, turned around here, and I stopped recording early. But here's part two, I suppose. So this is the website. AI is for everyone. But we're not going to use this website because we have an app. And that is the purpose for the app. You guys might have a website or you might have no website. But you won't need one because you'll be able to just get an app that will tie into GoHighLevel, which that's what this is built on, GoHighLevel. but we're going to use the API for that sub account that that website is on. So we're going to come down here to settings and private integrations. We're going to go to create an integration. We're going to say AI voice Greensboro. I do have another domain name, but I'm not going to disclose it yet. We're going to say AI voice loyalty program. For the scope, we're going to say view business, edit business, view calendar, edit calendar, view calendar event, edit calendar events, view campaigns, view conversation, edit conversation, view conversation messages, edit conversation messages, view contacts, edit contacts. I wonder, do we need the object records? I'm going to go ahead and put view courses and edit courses because I do have courses in that sub account. View forms, edit forms. View invoices, edit invoices. I'm just thinking about potential things in the future. View location, wait. View LC emails. View location, view custom value, edit custom value. View custom fields, edit custom fields. View tags, edit tags. View redirect URLs, view funnel pages, view funnels. I don't think I'm going to need that, but just in case. View opportunities, edit opportunities, view payment orders, edit payment orders, payment order, collect payments. I don't know what that is. View products, edit products, view SaaS, edit SaaS, view social media, edit social media, view social media account, edit social media account. I don't even know why yet. Again, I'm just, maybe I want to experiment on something in the future. View users, view email schedules, create blog posts, update blog posts. What about edit? Do I got contacts? Yeah, view contact, edit contact, view you. The main ones is view user, Edit user, view contacts, edit contacts, view calendar, edit calendar, and conversation and SMS. Do I got SMS? And emails, of course. View, edit, view emails. Well, I'm not editing. All right. Now we have that. And Replit is still going. I'll be right back. Stripe. Oh man, what is this? We're gonna put this in first. Oh man, I'm gonna say, let me give you GoHighLevel. Well, it's here. API and I could create a product. No, I need to create. Yeah, I need to get the main account API. Oh, not in this case because this is for me. All right. Actually, where is the Loom thing? Recorder control. That's why I ended up cutting it off the first time. Didn't see the control. Thought it wasn't recording. Let me give you the GoHighLevel API location ID first. because I have it copied. Man. So I asked, should I create the product and go high level or create it in Stripe? And in this case, I just want to know the best case scenario. But as far as the app for everybody else, I guess I'll just go ahead and do it directly in Stripe. Okay, it says in Stripe. Then connect using GoHighLevel. Unless you're using high-level SaaS mode reseller, in which case GHL can push products into Stripe for you. Okay. Creating the product in Stripe gives you cleaner billing, better subscription control, ownership of payments, and easier web hooks. Okay. Well, it's convenient if you want to use GHL's built-in funnels, invoices without extra plumbing. Below, I explain the trade-offs and the recommended practical flow for your business. Slight extra step. It's no big deal. GHL has direct integration and payment links. Easy to add GHL funnels, invoices, and GHL store UI without mapping. GHL supports creating products via dashboard or API. Simpler admin for non-tech users who live in GHL. Payments still rely on Stripe. Less direct control over advanced billing features and webhooks. I'm not using SaaS on this project. And it's not multi-tenant. When to create product inside GHL. If you want to use GHL's product UI directly in the funnel stores, avoid building any mapping code. Now you can create the product in GHL. All right, so let's go to Stripe. Create an account. New account. Wait a minute. I think I already have an account. As a matter of fact, we're going to use, hold on, let me see. Let's get our publishable key. Let's get our secret key. And let's continue. Oh, okay. Never miss another customer call. Try AI demo call. Wait a minute. Oh, no. start a demo call. Experience how your customers will interact with your AI receptionist. This is pretty slick. The best looking beginning app I've seen them built so far. Excuse me. Now we're going to end it right here because I have to. For your Greensboro business. This is not just Greensboro business, but okay. That's what I said. All right, we're going to end this video because I kind of put them together. And oh man. All right. This one we must complete. So if y'all want to see the rest of this, stay tuned. Because we're not moving on until we finish this one. But in order to have it up by 7, I need to stop it right here.